Hello everyone, I'm testing a cable right here. During the Miller 250DX pulsar and sequencer board project, I was trying to find good cables. I found decent cables, that's what was been shipping with the product, but I wanted nice cables, so I decided I'm going to have some made. And these are the cables. Yeah, we just got a pass on that cable. These have connectors of my choice, good quality connectors, and the cable is 200C rainbow ribbon cable. I wanted pure blue, but they wanted 10 times the price for all blue. So this is what I got. So I was on the hunt for a cable tester because I have almost 1,000 of these cables. And I have to test each and every one of them because I strive for 100% perfection. I don't want to send anybody bad cables or anything. So I needed a cable tester. I did a bunch of research. I contacted cable tester companies. There's a couple of them out there. And I decided to go with this Cami Research. Cami Research, they answered their telephone. They were very pleasant. They didn't try to upsell. I messaged them and said, hey, I am thinking about buying a used tester. And I couldn't find the software online to demo it. And I wanted to play with it. And they says, yeah, well, their software requires a serial number and a zip code to download it from their website. So I'm like, okay, well, if I buy the programmer, can I download the software? She types something on her computer, she says, yes, the software is available for this serial number. And I'm like, is it going to cost me anything? Not a dime. Said, what you do is email me at this email address, send me the serial number with proof of ownership, and we'll transfer the ownership to you. And we'll send you a link. You know, we'll notify you when you can download the software. So I said, okay. So I bought the unit, and I got the serial number off the bottom from the eBay listing, and I emailed it to her. Within 30-40 minutes, I had a download link, and I had the software and license file from when this unit was sold. Don't get no updates or anything, because this is a really old unit, but they're reliable from my research online. Now, I could not find any internal photos of this thing, so showing you we have a pass. Just did that when I started the video. It is a slow tester, but it works. So let's take this thing apart. Power it off. I'll just start disconnecting things. You're going to hear a ding. It's going to disconnect from the computer. Yeah, I wanted to make sure the connector boards and the adapters were available. And that's another thing that why I chose the Cami, is if I do want to upgrade to like an M3Z or something to test anything other than continuity and shorts, you know, if I want to test resistance and everything later on, I can keep the adapters or these connector boards and bring them over to the new system. So that's really, these are the things I look for when I buy tools. I want to make sure I can upgrade them without having to reinvest in a whole ecosystem. So let's figure out how to take this thing apart. Let's put those up because it looks like it's going to come up. Alright, thumb screws. Let's take these out. Not sure. We will take this thing apart. That way everybody can see what one of these looks like inside. Throw these in a bag. Let's grab a screwdriver. think we'll start with these three. Looks like there's some here, but looking at the thing, it looks like that top just slips on. So that's what we're gonna go with now. Ugh, tight. Yeah, sorry, no Cottie. She's hiding still from the 4th of July. She's still upset for all loud noises. She's came out a few times. So she came out during the unboxing of this. Okay. Well, that should, from what it looks like, a little dent right there, but yeah, this was made in what, 1997, 98? Oh. Looks like we're not going to cover those. Okay. Board lift out. We're going to have to take more stuff off. More screws. Okay, ignore my serial number. You didn't see that. Let's see. Let's start with these two over. Maybe these two. Yeah, I will message the company and see if I can get a schematic for this. I doubt it. You know, it is... I don't expect schematics for anything before the year 2000 from a company. That would be a little... asking a little much. Okay, we got those two. Throw those in the bag so we don't lose them. Okay, these others have washers. Star washers. Star washers. Okay, so star washer, star washer, star washer, star washer. Get this back together. Put the screws in the right place. Okay. Looks like it's still bolted down. I'll just pull all the bottom screws out. Okay, let's see if that does anything. Almost. Is that power being blocked by the power button? Will that go in any further? Nope. How about if we pull it? Okay, there we go. Yeah, it is. Oop, we just pulled that. That just got pulled from there. So it just slips on. Okay, throw that in the bag. Don't want to lose that. Now, how are we doing? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. When that pulls off, so we got the bottom. Okay, there's the bottom. Okay. Top comes off. What do we have here? There we go. Looks like it's pretty decent construction. So get into here a little bit. CableEye M2 system board, Rev 1.2, copyright 1997. It's like M2 XP1 expand in capabilities. Looks like they've got HC164, HC4006, HC4006. and HC165. So I'm going to assume those are all the same per row. That's nice. They're all labeled. Same on this bank. Are they the same here? HC164, 4066, 4066, 165. Okay. That's nice. Serviceable. Very serviceable. RN is 2.5K. U8 HC58. Yeah. U14 HC14. D1. D2. Okay, so the logic of this board is going to probably be that PAL right there. I don't see any EEPROMs, just the PAL, and that is a GAL 20 RA10. Well, backing this up is going to be virtually impossible, because in my experience with chip programming and reading and backing up stuff, GALs and PALs, 99.1% of them, they're locked for reading, so they're memory protected. So okay, so looks like we got some strap settings over here. J1415. We got mods. 152 pin. Okay, J9, 10, 11, and 12. That would be 9, 10, 11, 12 right there. So that's the mod. .128 pin. So this got a 24 pin header. Those are selected on with this toggle. 7805 voltage regulator. This thing, every piece on this looks labeled, man. That's nice. They designed this to be serviced. Now, this makes me feel way confident in my purchase. I mean, this is an old tester, but from all my research, they said they're very, very reliable. Well, let's get a close-up of the back. This is old school, man. This is very old school. Looks like they had some post-production correction. Maybe they didn't get a good flow on the wave when they had these built, but it's not as bad as the JVC flux mess. If this was JVC, flux would be everywhere. But I have to say this built construction looks pretty good for its age. But I wasted 15 minutes of your time. Hope you enjoyed this miniature teardown. Oh, did you want to see the CB2s? I already toned these out. Pin 1 starts here, pin 1's there, pin 1, pin 1, and pin 2, pin 2. It just follows. Yeah, if you like this, like and subscribe, and follow for more. We'll catch y'all later.